this world. Come and play.
Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you sneeze. Use your elbow, use a tissue. That's the way to stop the germs with ease. Achoo, achoo, bless you, friend. Turn your head and do it right. Cover your mouth, wash your hands. Keep our world clean and bright. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth every time. Little habits help us all, keeping everyone just fine. If you feel a tickle rise, be ready, don't delay. Lift your arm, bend your elbow, that's the healthy way. Throw the tissue in the bin. Wash your hands with soap and bubbles. Scrub, scrub, scrub them clean. Goodbye germs, no more troubles. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you sneeze. We care for friends and family by doing this simple, easy please. Healthy kids and happy days, playing, laughing, having fun. Cover your mouth, be kind and smart, a good habit for everyone.